Let's get real for a second. You've probably seen ads or videos saying you can make thousands of dollars publishing AI books on Amazon KDP practically overnight. Sounds exciting, right? But is that the reality? In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what you can expect to earn from AI books based on real numbers, real results, and the truth that nobody is telling you. I remember when I uploaded my first AI assisted book. I had dollar signs in my eyes thinking it was going to blow up instantly. The first week, crickets. Not a single sale. The second week, 2 copies. Here's the kicker. One of them was bought by my own friend. But over time, as I learned how Amazon's algorithm worked, how to choose the right niches, and how to polish my books, the sales started to roll in consistently. That's the part that most people miss. It's not instant, but it can absolutely be real. So part 1, setting expectations. So let's set the record straight. Most AI authors who rush in and upload unedited books, they make nothing. Maybe a few dollars here and there. But for the people who do it right, here's what's realistic. A single book can generate anywhere from $50 to $500 per month. Sometimes even more if it takes off. But notice I said per book. That means if you build a small library of 5 to 10 consistent high quality books, you can start stacking up royalties by the hundreds, if not thousands per month. Now part 2, the factors that affect earnings. Now what makes a difference between a book that sells $10 a month or a book that sells $500 per month? Now first, niche selection. Books that solve real problems and target evergreen interests. Things like productivity, health, personal finance. These tend to do much better. Now second, quality. AI can draft text fast, but readers can tell if you didn't edit or polish. Bad reviews kill sales faster than anything else. And finally, third, presentation. Covers, titles, descriptions, keywords. These are what get people to click on your book in the first place. Without clicks, you'll never get sales. So if you nail these factors, your earnings go from making enough for a cup of coffee a month to enough to pay some bills per month. Now part 3, the numbers game. Let's do the math. Imagine you put out 10 books. Each one averages $100 per month. That's $1,000 in passive income every month. And that's without having to write every word yourself. Now, will every book be a winner? No. Some might flop, but others will surprise you and carry most of the income. The key is consistency and building a portfolio. You're not just launching books. You're building assets that can pay you month after month. So, can you make money selling AI books on Amazon KDP? Absolutely. But the truth is, it's not about quick riches. It's about creating real value, stacking up consistent quality books, and letting them work in your favor. Think of it as building a business, not scratching a lottery ticket. Do that, and yes, you can build a reliable stream of income with AI publishing. If this helped you see the real picture, and if you're ready to skip the trial and error and get a proven system that shows you exactly how to research niches, create books with AI, and actually make them sell, I built a full course that walks you through every step. It's the same process that I use to help build income streams with AI publishing, and you can get instant access today. The link is below. Check it out and start turning your AI books into a real income. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.